All right, so Levin here, back with another book fact. So I've been reading as well, and I like to switch between one book to another book also. And I've learned some interesting things from The One Thing by Gary Keller. So The One Thing by Gary Keller basically goes into a lot of detail about the methodology of everything that makes you successful and whatever it is you're doing all starts with one thing. But the book's so much more about getting specific, getting specific for yourself. Like, let's say, you might be the person that's like, I need to go to the gym, I need to lose weight, I'm overweight, fat, unhealthy, I need some more energy, like that. But then you say, okay, I need to go to the gym to be able to do that. Now, is that really the case? I need to go to the gym to be able to do that. Or is it more so, okay, how am I going to get myself into the mindset to be able to say, okay, yes, I actually want to go to the gym now to be able to do that. So it starts with the mind, and the mind will move the body to that point for you to be able to act and get that result that you really want from it. But that was the interesting thing about this book. So this book, it's a couple hundred pages, but it really goes specific and it goes into detail, and it gives you many upon many different methods of how you can go about finding that one thing that you might need to be doing to be able to get to where you want to go, be where you want to be, and to be able to achieve what you want to achieve. So if you want to check out the book for yourself, the link is down here in the description of the video. So just click on that link and it will send you right through to it so you can download a copy for yourself.